All right, so as you can hear, there's a chainsaw going. We had a huge windstorm here today. I thought there was going to be a tornado. It blew the door open. I could barely get the door shut. That kind of wind. And apparently it knocked over this huge birch tree up here, which my husband is now bucking up. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out and see what's going on. Coffee. Coffee. Good girl. You come with me. All right, so we made our way up to the tree now, and it looks like my husband is gonna attach some chains to it. And I'm not sure if he's pulling it with the tractor or pulling it with the truck, but we'll be finding out here in just a few minutes. One log down. All right, now we're hooking it up to the back, and well, he's hooking it up to the back, and we're gonna pull it the other way now.